Malacanang says the government is committed to ensure the sufficient supply of electricity to households and industries at reasonable rates. According to Presidential Communications Operations Office Secretary Sonny Coloma, the government also works to foster a business climate that encourages continuing investments in energy development. Rocky Ignacio reports.
President Aquino is determined to find out the cause of power hike to prevent it from happening. Presidential Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma said that the government will implement corrective measures to ensure electric supply and avoid sudden rise in energy bills.
The President is determined to get to the bottom of what really happened and to prevent this from happening again. Kung susuriin natin ang mga isyong nailahad na hanggang sa Senate hearing kahapon, ito ang lumilitaw na dapat pagtuunan ng pansin bilang corrective actions upang tiyakin ang kapakanan ng mga mamamayan. Una, dapat paghandaan ng lahat ng industry players ang mga itinakdang pagkumpuni at pagsasaayos, regular maintenance schedule ng malampaya at iba pang pinagkukunan ng supply ng kuryente. Pangalawa, kailangang tiyakin ng ERC na siyang chief regulator ng power industry na walang sabwatan, collusion at pang-aabuso, abuse of market power na magaganap at hahantong sa di makatuwirang tubo sa negosyo, unjustifiable profits. At kung matutuklasan ito, ayon na rin sa batas ng EPIRA, dapat bawiin ang sobra o di makatuwirang tubo, unjustifiable profits.
Malacanang stressed that Malampaya shutdown is required for periodic maintenance, so the industry must prepare to prevent disruptions in the energy supply.
Nais kong ilahad muli ang mga nauna ng pahayag ng Pangulo. Una, Malampaya shutdown is not an unusual event. It happens every 2 to 3 years. There is periodic maintenance required. Foreseen event yon or foreseeable event. Alam mo na yung magpo-produce ng fuel mo will not be able to produce. Then you have to find a substitute. So, yung pwedeng paghandaan, dapat pinaghandaan. Pangalawa, our impression is there are people who really made a very significant profit from this situation. Under the EPIRA, there is need to look into possible and abuse of market power. And if there were unjustifiable profits, the ERC can order a disgorgement of these profits. Pangatlo, my position personally is, if it was a commercial decision that was wrong, government never promised that they will be shielded from their wrong decisions. And it follows, if it was wrong, a wrong decision, again, ilagay ko lang yung if. Tatapusin muna yung investigation. Pag mali, hindi naman dapat ipapasa sa consumer yung maling desisyon ng negosyo.
President Aquino directed the Department of Energy and Department of Justice to ensure that there is no collusion among industry players to save the consumers from unjustifiable power rate hike.
Kaugnay ng mga kaukulang hakbang na ito, heto ang mga ginagawang aksyon ng mga ahensya ng pamahalaan. Una, investigasyon ng DOE at ERC hinggil sa umano'y collusion, market power abuse at anti-competitive behavior. Pangalawa, parallel investigation by the Office of Competition of the DOJ. Pangatlo, review for possible amendment of EPIRA. Patuloy na tinututukan at inaalam ng Pangulo ang mga pagsisiyasat at pag-aaral na ito. Patuloy ring titiyakin ng ating pamahalaan na magkakaroon ng sapat na supply ng kuryente para sa mga pangailangan ng mga tahanan at industriya sa presyong makatwiran. Government is committed to ensure sufficient supply of electricity to households and industries at reasonable rates and foster a business climate that encourages continuing investments in energy development.
Malacanang issued the corrective measures to protect the consumers and the power industry amidst calls for Energy Regulatory Commission Chief Zenaida Ducot to consider stepping down from her post. Ducot allegedly failed to give due notice to the public on the possible rate hike.
Yung pong parehong tanggapan ng Pangulo at tanggapan ng Ombudsman, meron po silang tinatawag na concurrent jurisdiction sa kaso. Yaman din lang at yung kaso ay inihain sa tanggapan ng Pangulo, yung Office of the President ang magte-take cognizance dun sa kaso. Suspension can be imposed if warranted only after respondent shall have submitted comment to the complaint and due process shall be observed.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.